Well, a lot in the media lately about drones. Or are they UFOs? Are they some kind of unidentified aerial phenomena? UAP. I kind of doubt that they're from China or Iran. It seems too much for Iran to pull off. China, maybe. But to what ends? This would be an extremely expensive operation. And not to do something with it, not to drop bombs or some kind of toxins, or biohazards. It seems pointless. Why would they spend all that money? It's really kind of strange. Is this a phenomena? Is it a shapeshifter type thing? Demons, shapeshifters? It just seems too widespread. It's kind of universally seen and heard. A lot of these make noises. And this is probably a classic, UFO flap type thing where everybody's reporting everything right now. And there's probably more than one thing going on here. But just to write it off as that is kind of it's kind of ignorant at this point. So I don't know, I kind of write off the demons and shapeshifter angle of it simply because it's so big. Auditory and visible, just too many people are seeing it. It's affecting too many people. Demons and such astral entities and stuff, they still aren't free from the law of karma, and most of them are aware of that. So most of them won't go so far, and affect that many people, interact with this many people. Any interaction with anybody has got its implications. And to do this to a whole world, a pretty massive undertaking. In any case. So could it be real UFOs, in quotes? Actual aliens, or alien-driven ships? They're acting too intelligent to be just mere probes, I would think. But who knows, there's AI, it could be AI probes from a different existence. Interesting questions. Seems far-fetched, but can't rule it out. Could it be that they're so disappointed with the disclosure efforts that some in the military have done and the way society's brushed it off? Maybe they're here to show us. It'd certainly be a earth-shaking development, though. And I always presume that any aliens would be extra-dimensional, not purely physical like we are. Maybe even physical with a slight difference in vibration, but who knows? It's not scientifically accepted that there is an astral world. Interesting. Totally earth-shaking if any of this comes to fruition. It would blow so many materialistic, matter-real people. It would just blow their minds. So it takes a lot to take responsibility for an action like that. Is there a reason? My other thought was that it seems to be some kind of search. I don't know who or what or why, but it seems like they're searching for something. Why the focus on the same area night after night? Kind of interesting. And again, there could be more than one thing happening. It's kind of flaps, kind of magnify everything. Let's see if I can channel any kind of insights on this. I'm going to create, let's call him John Doe. Let's ask John Doe. And John Doe can be a collective, but hopefully there's an element of my angelics and spirit guides controlling it. So I call on those to be the BS filter from any astral entities that might come through to talk. Block such BS. So, John, what's going on? Is this extraterrestrial or terrestrial? That's my first question. Yeah, I'm kind of getting that it's extraterrestrial to some, or extra dimensional. It seems like it's got some kind of physical connection, though. It's not a pure shapeshifter type thing. I'm going to go out on a limb and say it's extraterrestrial. And that it does have to do with disclosure. So my next question to John Doe, is why? Why now? And on that, I'm getting, and maybe it's just my own thought, that yeah, they are tired about the slow pace of disclosure. There's some reason they need disclosure to happen. And the timeline is getting short. They need something out of us. They need us to change in some way. I guess the pat, easy answer, and what it seems like to me, is that, yeah, they see us using nuclear real soon. They see Putin getting very desperate. Which his last wand to power is going to be tactical nukes in Ukraine. I don't think they're going to put up with that. I don't think the world's going to put up with that. I think the reaction and the re-reaction is what they're concerned about. I know I've got some seers in my tiny little audience. I'd really like to know, either in the comment section or via response video, what you're getting on this. What do you think this is all about? Yeah, seems to me anyway that demons, shapeshifters, whatever, don't really want to change the world. They want to pervert the individual. They want to find a few good men or women to really screw with.